Grupo Presidente has implemented all the necessary measures and procedures to protect the health of our guests, clients, suppliers, and employees, respecting the guidelines and recommendations of the global and local health authorities. To provide a safe and clean stay, we are using hospital-grade disinfectants that fulfill with the standard required for the CDC, the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and the EPA, the United States Environmental Protection Agency. This video exemplifies the main actions carried out in the sanitation and disinfection processes in our hotels in bellboy, concierge and valet parking, front desk, public areas, guest rooms, room service, gym and pool, banquets and meetings, restaurants and bars, collaborators' access and merchandise reception. Bellboy, concierge and valet parking. Upon arrival, our valet parking team receives the client with personal protective equipment. The bellboy team cleans and disinfects luggage before handling it and prior to accessing the hotel, as well as the luggage trolleys. Invites the guest to apply hand sanitizer and use the shoe sole disinfecting station. In concierge, activities for guests are promoted through QR codes. Front desk. Signs have been placed to maintain a social distance of 6 feet between people. Clear plastic barriers have been installed to protect our guests and reception colleagues. We take the temperature of each guest during the check-in process. Hand sanitizer is always available at the reception desk for disinfection before and after the check-in. Public areas. In public areas, the use of face masks is mandatory at all times. The public area team cleans and disinfects every 2 hours or whenever necessary the areas that are in frequent contact, such as door handles, stair railings, telephones, switches and elevator buttons, tables, chairs, armchairs, benches and restrooms. In the elevators, we have placed signs with the maximum capacity allowance and we have marked the points to keep the social distance inside. Guest rooms. Deep disinfection processes are carried out. Our team cleans and disinfects all frequent contact points: table, desk, telephones, door handles, peephole, doors, switches, railings, safety box and TV control, among others. Disinfects all ventilation and air conditioning vents. All printed materials were replaced by digital options, which will be able through QR codes. A prevention kit with hand sanitizing gel, 2 mouth covers and sanitizing towels is provided for the use of our guests. Room service. Room service is delivered outside the room to avoid contact with the guest. In biodegradable disposable bags and packaging to reduce the use of trays, service cards and table linen, while taking care of the environment. Club lounge. In hotels where we have a club lounge, the maximum capacity was reduced respecting the distance of 6 feet. We promote a la carte food and beverage service or assisted buffet. We promote the use of disinfecting wipes to clean the computer equipment before and after using it. Gym and pool. Guests must always wear a mask and use hand sanitizer before entering. The equipment in the gym has been arranged respecting the 1.8 meter, 6 feet distance. The use of disinfecting towels is promoted so that each guest cleans the equipment before and after using it. Banquets and meeting space. Hand sanitizer stations are placed at the entrance of the meeting space area. Meeting room capacities have been reviewed and adjusted to meet social distancing requirements. Before each meeting, we carry out a cleaning and disinfection of all the furniture and equipment inside the room. The coffee break stations are assembled with individual and closed packages. There is a waiter to offer individual space. We promote plated food and beverage packages. If a buffet service is offered, it is attended by the hotel staff following the safety and hygiene recommendations. Restaurants and bars. In a restaurant, we have replaced the menus with digital options to consult through QR codes. The maximum capacity within restaurants was reduced, respecting the distance of 6.5 feet between tables. All guests and clients are encouraged and invited to make reservations to guarantee and control seats in the restaurants. Employees' access. We enable checkpoints with hand sanitizing stations, shoe-sole disinfecting stations, taking body temperature and keeping a daily record. Merchandise reception. We implement strict security measures from the arrival of the product. All vendors have to wear a mask before entering. We have placed hand sanitizer and shoe-sole disinfecting stations at the entrance. We take the supplier's temperature and keep records of each visit. All products received at the hotels are cleaned and disinfected before being put into storage. All of our hotels have trained personnel who monitor and ensure compliance with the aforementioned measures to guarantee everyone's safety. Travel and live unforgettable and safe experiences with Grupo Presidente.